Hello everyone, my name is Frida Chiwe. We are going to revise a question that came in 2019 GCE under Earth Geometry. So the question reads, the points K, L, and M are on the surface of the Earth as shown in the diagram below. Take pi as 3.142 and radius 6370 kilometers. The first question reads, find the difference in longitude between points K and L. So the difference in longitude, we are going to add 30 and 60. Different sides we add and same sides we subtract. So 30 degrees west and 60 degrees east. Plus 60 degrees east. So we are going to add 30 plus 60, which is 90 degrees. So this is the difference. Question 2 says, find in kilometers the distance AL. So AL are on the same longitude but different latitude. So we have been asked to calculate the distance, and the formula for finding distance is equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So distance is LM. Then the theta, we are going to add 50 and 45. What is 50 plus 45? So 95 over 360 times 2, 3.14. 6370. Five, 6. So the instruction says that if the degree of accuracy is not specified in the question, leave your answer to three significant figures. So M is equals to 1, 2, 3. So this 6 is going to change 5 to 6. So this will be 0, 0, then 6, 1, then kilometers. Question B says that find in kilometers the distance KL. So distance is equals to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Since KL are on the latitude, so to be cos x. So distance is KL. So KL, we are going to get the difference in longitude, which is 30 plus 60, which is 90 over 360 times 2 pi 3.142 6370 cos 50. So KL, what is this? So when we punch this on the calculator, it's giving me 6,632.549163. So KL, like I said before, if the degree of accuracy is not specified in the question, we leave our answer in three significant figures. So this 2 is going to be 0, then this is 3, 4, 6 kilometers. That's all to this question.